Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I have, I guess a Happy Mail. One of my kits that I do monthly has come in, and I want to share video clip of update of my backyard, things that I've been doing. I do not have a green thumb like a lot of you guys have. Matter of fact, if I could just pave most of my backyard and put in a bunch of fake plants, then I'd be happy with that. But anyway, I'm just gonna insert a clip here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of things that we've been doing to the backyard. Of course, it's gonna take years to get everything that I want done, but I can show you a little bit of what I've got going on. Okay, so I finally got something to water my plants with. And I did buy this, I think I might have showed this in one of my other videos. And I did buy one of these things for my water hose. You guys remember I used to have the big yellow water hose just kind of strung out in the grass. Well, I finally bought me one of those. I found that at Lowe's. And then my cactus is still doing good because I don't really have to do anything to them. And I was going to show you my picnic table. I finally got one of these bought, and I will insert a clip of us painting it. It was like $98 is all from Lowe's, and we just spray painted it. But there it is. And looks like I've already got some bird stuff on it over there. I see it. Oh, look at my little dog rolling around. You just roll around, lady. Just roll around, girl. Oh gosh, they always stink when they do that though. But oh, and then there's one. That's my oldest one, that's Abby. She loves her little heart. That's her little stuffed toy. Okay, let's see. There's Max. He is the oldest. Okay, don't jump on me, Max. Got a crochet top on. Okay, what I've done over here is at Michael's. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we did add this right here. That wasn't here last time. Remember, it was just a pathway. So we've added this. And I don't know if I'll do anything to it. Max, don't you do anything to my plants. I may just leave them like that. But what's funny is someone suggested on one of my videos that to go buy some fake plants. And so I did. And it looks so pretty. See? I do plan on getting some more. I just didn't want to, you know, invest in a whole lot. But yeah, it looks so pretty. But they're fake. Got them on the clearance rack. And I can grow that, you know. Look at that. He makes it look like I got a green thumb. All right. Okay, and then my newest addition, you guys saw this already, where now I do need to paint that, spray paint it. But remember when I got all this right here put in, and then I made this little paver thing. Well, we went and we ordered some chairs from Amazon, and there we go, and there they are. I do got to get some cushions for them, mainly so that whenever it's real hot, because I think they're pretty comfortable to sit in just like they are, but when it's real hot, I may want something so that my bottom don't get hot in my back. So I don't know, but as of right now, yeah, that's what we got. And they're so pretty. They look blue in the camera, but they're turquoise. And my cactus is still doing good. Like I said, I don't really have to do anything to it. So yeah, that's where we are right now. There's quite a few things I still need to do or would like to do, and that's all that I have. Okay, I'll see you guys back inside. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just wanted to do the update like I said, and because you guys saw it whenever it was basically nothing. So anyway, okay, so now let's get down to the yarn business. I did get some mail today. I have not opened it yet, but it's my Annie's, it should be the Hook and Needle Kit Club. So let's see what I got today. Some more baskets. But at least I got more yarn for it. But more baskets. At least it's different. Right, guys? And you can never have enough baskets. And the other basket that I made from them, I carry that thing all over the place because when I'm working on those little Rudolph characters, they're small, and they got handles, and so I carry them around. They don't have that kind of handle. The handle's kind of like built into it, like, and yeah, I drag that thing all over the house with me wherever I'm working on it. So I guess it's good having more baskets, and I do like these colors. Matter of fact, on my Amazon, where I sell my kitchen towel holders, I have a set of 3 that I sell, and they're like $22, I think, so I sell them for a set of 3. And these are the 3 colors that they are. So, yeah, that's funny. And I just sent out a set of these kitchen towel holders this morning. Okay, so let's see what kind of yarn we're going to make this basket with. Okay, it feels good. It says that it is a 5 bulky, 25% wool, 75% acrylic, and 160 yards 5 bulky. I mean, I was really hoping I'd get something else, but I mean, I do like the baskets. And like I said, we can never really have enough baskets anyway. So, yeah. And it doesn't really say what color this is. That's the only thing I don't like about these kits, is they don't tell me what color they are, because you remember I'm working on the baby blanket? Well, I want to order some more of that yarn, and they just don't say, you know, what kind of yarn it is. But here's this one. This is 143 yards. This is 160, so they give you less of this. And then here's the turquoise one. And this one is 143 yards. Let's see, they're all 25% wool, 75% acrylic. So there you go. It kind of looks, this one looks silver in the camera. Okay, no it don't, not there, but back here, it seemed like it looked silver, but it's not. Okay, so then it comes with the book. I do like these kind of handles like that. That's going to be really nice. Yeah, it's real cute. I like this. And I can't really show you the pages inside because it has the patterns like all across there. So I can't really show you anything. But it is very pretty. Maybe if I can kind of do it like that. See? They really are pretty. I like that. Okay, so when I'm in the mood to make some more baskets, I will have a kit. And the yarn is already there for me, so yeah. So I like it, and I do like this club a lot. I have narrowed some of my clubs down a little bit, and you know, because a lot of them I was trying and things like that. But this is one of them that I'm definitely keeping. You know, just like all kits, there's always going to be a month that you get something that you're not that impressed with, but the majority overall of the months there are. So you know, like this one is not a horrible thing, but you know, as of today, I don't feel like making more baskets, but we always need baskets, and it's nice to have a kit that I can just, you know, run in here and grab and make me some baskets. And they'll make good Christmas gifts and stuff like that. And I got so many sisters and stuff, you know, they'll make great birthday gifts and stuff. So overall, yes, I'm happy, and I will leave the link below. And I think if you purchase your first month, it may be like 50% off, and then they give you the option to, like once you sign up, they give you the option to like put yours on hold. Like let's say it's getting close to Christmas months, or you know, you got something going on, going out of town or different things. You can put your kit on hold for however many months that you want to, or you can just cancel if you don't like it at all. But overall, I'm very happy with this one. And so yeah, I'm staying with this one for a little while. Okay, so the last thing that I have to show you guys is on my doll clothes, my August. If you are an email subscriber to my blog, then the free pattern that you get this month is this cute little backpack for the dolls. And it unbuttons right here, and it ties right there. It's kind of like cinches closed, so you just untie that and uncinch it, and you know, put their little goodies and stuff in there. And then you just button this back. See if I can button it back without knocking anything over. Okay, and so I just made one of those little hoop loops on it right there, and then I made, you know, the straps, and then I just put some decorative buttons on it, you know, just to make it cute. But that is the free pattern if you are an email subscriber. So if you're not an email subscriber and you want that pattern, just go to www.adoringdollclothes.com and scroll down, and you will see where it says sign up for my newsletter. And I do not bombard people's inboxes with newsletter. The only time I send out a newsletter is once a month with the free pattern, and then every time I release a pattern that I have created, I will send a you know, letting you know that, hey, there's a new pattern in the store, come check it out. And there's always a 10% code attached to it that's good for like 7 days. So really, that's about all I do as far as sending you emails. So yeah, and you can always unsubscribe. Let's say you want the free pattern and you think the pattern is not your cup of tea. Down at the bottom, you know, just click the unsubscribe button. It's not a big deal. Okay, so to end this video, I'm going to do my 365 days of prayer. And let's see what this one is. Okay. Let's see, we did the Deliver Me. It's called Hold Me Accountable. Each of us shall give account of himself to God. Romans 14:12. It says, Lord, I recognize your authority over all. I know that if I were to give account of myself today, my thoughts and actions, and compare it to the wonderful plans that you have for my life, I'd come up short. You would forgive me and welcome me as your child, but I would know I could have done so much more to honor you and build the kingdom. Hold me accountable, Father. Hold me to your high standards and plant in me a desire and a drive to meet them, so that when I meet you face to face, I know that you are well pleased with me. And actually, that is one of my prayers that I pray all the time, is that exact thing, is that when I do meet God, that I can, you know, that I feel like he would be pleased with what I've done for him. So anyway, okay, so I hope that has inspired you. I hope it has you thinking, and, you know, like it always does me. So, and I hope it also gives you encouragement. So anyway, so that's all that I have for this video. So if you feel like liking, sharing, subscribing, tapping the bell, go ahead and do that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.